Garment Company Limited. Oriental Garment Company Limited is a leading Thai manufacturer and exporter of ready-to-wear apparel, whose business has operated for over 3 decades. Our wide variety of product ranges include jackets, t-shirts, pants, polar fleece jackets, shorts, board shorts, polo shirts, and sport performance. Oriental Garment Company Limited was established in 1980 with the strong determination and far-sighted vision of Mr. Sombun Nimlao and Mrs. Sawarat Nimlao to manufacture high-quality ready-made outfits for the market. Now, with the great management expertise of Mr. Shawalit Nimlao, our value product choices have gained the trust of some of the world's leading brand customers. For example, Adidas, Reebok, Mack Weldon, Lole, Corrupt, Intersport, Nike, O'Neill, Swiss Army, Chefworks, Oxylane, Bodybuilding, Engbers, Pin High, Callaway Golf, Galvin Green, Zegna Sport, New Balance, Nexport, and True Linkswear. At present, Oriental Garment Company Limited is headquartered in Bangkok, and our manufacturing bases are sited in different locations, both domestically and internationally. In Thailand, they can be found in Bangkok and the district of Ban Lao, Nong Bua Deng in Chaiyaphum province. More recently, our offshore manufacturing base has been extended to An Giang in Vietnam. The An Giang site consists of an area of land in excess of 7,000 square meters, with the objective of having 3,500 employment openings. Increasing our personnel numbers will certainly be encouraging for our production capabilities, efficiency, and manufacturing speed. The manufacturing activities within the site will also be controlled by our highly skilled mechanical team in order to monitor the merchandise standard in conformity with the required criteria. Our Vietnam office has been established in Ho Chi Minh City, a location chosen for being logistics friendly, and one that we believe our clients worldwide will certainly find to be highly suitable with all of the necessary business conveniences to hand. Oriental Garment Company Limited utilizes an online communication and video conference system to enable us to facilitate our corporate workflow in order to be capable of excellent communication, production control, and quality monitoring throughout all of our manufacturing bases effectively. Oriental Garment Company Limited pays special attention to manufacturing procedures from raw material selection, fabric inspection, hue testing, and right through to meticulous textile examination, all of which are carried out by our highly skilled experts. At Oriental Garment Company Limited, we possess a highly dedicated and qualified team of technicians and technical engineers to develop new product models, R&D, and also to analyze production costs precisely and explicitly so as to allow us to manufacture customized merchandise in response to individual customers. High-specification computer systems and technologically advanced machines are employed in every procedure, resulting in rapid, accurate, and fault-free results. Furthermore, Oriental Garment Company Limited utilizes the lean manufacturing system to reduce the volume of work in process, starting from the cutting right through to the packaging processes. With our strong determination and utmost care through the entire manufacturing process, coupled with top-grade innovations and continued implementation of our operating process improvement efforts, Oriental Garment Company Limited has consistently dominated the market leader position. Such first-rated values ensure that we are capable of high-quality product manufacturing to serve both domestic and international markets. Once anyone starts thinking about top-ranking quality apparel, Oriental Garment products are the first to come to mind.